Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the power key right here if it's not working on your RAZER Blade 15. If this power key is not working, this may be due to it being disabled in the settings. So to fix that, go to settings on your device, then go to system and go to power and battery. Then find lit, power and sleep button controls, and now you can see plugged in and on battery, so you can change it for both of these options. And if pressing the power button will make my PC either on plugged in or on the battery is set to do nothing, then it will actually do nothing. So I'm plugged in right now, so let's change it to do nothing. And now I've just pressed on the power button and it did nothing. When I set it to sleep, then it will go to sleep. When I set it to hibernate, it will hibernate, shutdown will shut down, and display off will just turn off the display without going to sleep. So you can change this setting, and they are changed separately for plugged in and on battery. So you can have different options assigned, and by default it's assigned to sleep. So now when I press on the power button, it goes to sleep. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.